open them, so I already opened them, some of them, as you can see. I love this light blue snapper. It's so aesthetic. And then this ball, what? And then we got 2 of these. I got these off Amazon, so yeah. But the snapper didn't come with the pack, so yeah. And then we got this, whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Lol. Good packaging though. And then I'm shocked. I didn't know it came with 2 of these, but it came with 2 of these balls. I will be opening all of these after I record this video on camera, so yeah. And then we got not 1, but we got let me see. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Move these out of the way. We don't got 1, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4 mochis, guys. Look at that. And then we got these. I like those. Those are really cool. OMG. I just looked in there. Then we got a marble mesh, a lot of monkey noodles, a pea popper, and I'm pretty sure there's more in there, but we'll have to check it out on my opening these video. No way. No way, guys. I always wanted one of these. This is cool as heck. I always wanted one of these, guys. Anyways,